First of all, we need to use this layer command, and I will guide you how to use it from the beginning to the end. First of all, when you see who needs this layer tool, mechanical engineers, architect and civil engineers, plus interior designers use this command mainly. Other designers maybe use this command, but in AutoCAD it is very crucial command. So to be clear for this is, for example, let me say this is our floor plan. So this is our floor plan, let me say. So if we have this thing like this partition, this for demonstration purpose. So demonstration for demonstration purpose. So if we have this type of floor plan, so we call it, first of all, we need to create layer for this one. So what will help us when we create layers? We can edit each object. Later on, the design will be complicated. So to be more clear, we have to see how we can elaborate or edit the designs, what we are doing. This also we can use as, for example, this one layer. Let me make it layer. You can type in keyboard layer. So after you type layer, you can select it or enter. So the layer tab will be opened. So what we need to do is we have to create a new layer. As you can see, new layer view. As you can see, you can use the shortcut. So let me create new layer. So let me say it floor. We will have furnitures. So we have to see, we can use another color for different colors for different layers. We will have different drawings in this tab. So if we have, let me say, another, this one layer, this also one layer, these circles are another furnitures, for example. Let us say we have 4 furnitures, 8 table or something else. So what we have to do is we have to press Control. So first of all, you have to select Control. After you hit Control, you need to select these three different, but these are, we consider these are furnitures. So what we need to do, we have to create another layer called its furniture. Then hit enter. So we have to change the color to it shouldn't have only to be pink, or can select whatever you want. So let me say we have doors around this doors. This is for demonstration purpose only. The plan is another. I will show you the real. First of all, you need to select the first door, then you hit control. Then you hit control, you need to see plus button in the arrow key. So when you select it, it will automatically add your design. So let us collect this one new layer. So let us make their names, then enter. So we have three floor plan, furniture, doors. We can also add another windows or ceilings. One, two, include in the design. For mechanical engineers also, will have more. You have to use layers. If you don't use the layers, the drawing will be complicated, and you don't you can't really define the your drawing very clearly. So this is all about for today. Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more.